Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to transform an array-like structure into key-value objects using JavaScript. This is useful for organizing data efficiently, such as user records or database entries. Let's get started. This technique helps us convert structured data into a format that allows for quick lookups by a key, like an ID or a name. This function loops over the input array, assigning keys based on an optional property. If no key is provided, it uses the index. This method enables quick and structured data access, making it ideal for applications requiring fast lookups. We see different use cases, converting simple arrays into index objects and structured objects into a lookup table using a key property. This approach is widely used in database management, caching, and data processing applications. This method is a powerful tool for data structuring, making JavaScript objects more efficient and accessible. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.